Hello guys, today I want to show you how we achieved a 3D effect like this in Affinity. So please dive with me, let me create a new artboard. Let's achieve this. Control new like this. Let me select A4 for instance. Click enter. So now under this artboard like this, you come to your this is your pen tool and then draw it simultaneously. We want to form a shape like this, and then now you will first of all go to stroke. Look at the stroke here. We'll increase the size of the stroke by adding it. Look at, that's the size of the stroke there. And then come to, after you do this, you now change the color. Come to color. We'll give it a different color. Sorry, that was uh let's remove it for instance. Okay, let's remove it. Come here, give it a color. So after giving it this particular color, you can come to FX. Under this FX, come to 3D, select 3D, and then you can toggle around with these things. Come to radius, add your radius like this. As you can see, look at how the radius is affecting. Then you can come to direction, any direction you want it to work with. You can see whether if you want it from down or up, as the case may be. So basically, and then if you want to soften it, let it not be too hard, you can also work with it. And then the depth, you can work with the depth. You want the depth to be very high, you can work with it. And then invert, you can invert it to come down or to be up like that. So that is just more of which. If you want for text as well, let's close. For instance, you want to work on text, you can also select text like this and write, let's say 3D 3D text, 3D effects as I did in the preview. So 3D effect, come here, scale it, select all, make it bold, change it to uppercase. Under this uppercase here, you can see adjust. I want to use the font Bebas. Come here, I'm looking for Bebas. Look at the font here. As you're using Bebas like this, then you can also change the color as well. Give it the color of your choice. Let's say blue. Let's try blue and see. Under this blue here, you come adjust and then come to FX and then apply. If you don't want, if you want the shadow to be inside, you can also select it to be in, and then you soften it this way. So in other applications, that's bevel. Then come here, 3D, add. Look at the 3D here. You can see how it's very smooth. That was, we added bevel and then the 3D itself. Click on close, select this one, come to effect here. They both bevel and 3D are there. So that's why you have that effect like that. Then if you don't want this shadow in, come here and then remove the inner like that. And then you are good to go. So look at how beautiful it's looking. You can zoom in like this. You have a very fine 3D. So thank you, and please, if you love anything about this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and then to encourage us so that we'll do more. Thank you, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.